Welcome to another video. I bought myself a drone. So this, as well as being an unboxing type of thing, because I've already unboxed it, it's the battery charged, blah 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 blah, to show you what comes with the Mini 3 in the box, and what I bought additionally, why I bought additionally, what I didn't get and why I didn't get it, the options that I did and didn't get. Basically, I bought the Mini 3, as you will probably be aware by now. What I did do is, one thing I would suggest you do, because when you buy the Mini 3 in the box, it comes with that, everyone knows, it comes with a flimsy material bag, and when you're spending 600 or 400 or over £1,000 on a drone, why would you carry it around in a flimsy bag? So the first thing I did when I got it off Amazon, this one, I got a hard case. I got that because I protect what I own, and it will come, if I ever sell it, it'll come with that, because it's the foam inside is cut for the Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro, because it has like a gimbal camera, so it has the cutout points for all that. It only fits that camera, so I'd have to get rid of it for that reason anyway. Here is the Mini 3. It is 249 grams. Now I have a license. I got on by mistake. Thought I was in a practice test, and they said, well done, you've got your license. But you only need the license if it's over 249 grams. But the batteries that come with this are, actually tell you it's 249 grams. I did get the Fly Mode combo, because if you buy just the drone itself, you don't get you don't get any extra propellers, any extra batteries. You get one battery, one controller, charger, and the drone, and that's it. So you basically you can fly it for what, half an hour or so, and then that's it. When you're flying, half an hour goes so quickly, and you might just be getting the hang of it, and then it says battery low. You know what I mean? So you need more than one battery, especially if you want to go out for half an hour and you come back and whatever. So this is it. You take the cap off here. What I do though on this cap is, it comes with a little foam insert to protect on travelling the camera. I've kept that in there. I'm always going to keep it on there because it stops the gimbal moving in transportation, and it comes with this different lens cover that you just pop on like that. Apparently these vents here are now actually a working option. Before on the cheaper ones, it's just a blank. This actually lets air in. You take the battery out by just pressing these pins in the side, and then it should then just fly. It comes out like that. That's all it is in there. It's simple. And then you just slide it back in like that. It is not waterproof unless you want to go for a more expensive one. It's not waterproof. So check the weather. Fly when it's not waterproof, when it's not raining. If it's windy, that's fine, but if it rains, you need to bring it in. Like the odd splash, I don't think will affect it. You can see on the front, it does have a gimbal. This is one of the main reasons I got this over the 2, because the 2 doesn't have a gimbal that's like that. And the good thing about this, apparently, because it has the gap there, means you can go further up when you're flying, and further down when you're flying as well, like the camera. And the reason I got this as well is because everyone's in Instagram now, or TikTok. You want to record videos for TikTok or Instagram. This, on the actual controller itself, you can actually turn the gimbal portrait mode and then switch it back to landscape mode whilst you're in the air via your mobile phone, which is attached to it. I also bought this one because the videos I saw online show that it's more lighting than the 2 when it's in the evening, which means you won't get a pitch black video. 2 and the 2 SE are only go up to 2.7K. This one goes up to 4K. I think it's at 30 frames, but it could be 60. I think it's 30 frames for 4K, 60 frames at 2.7K, and the same at 1080p. So that's another good thing, you get a better video quality. You can get a better quality camera, better battery life, because on the Mini 2 the battery life is about 31 minutes per battery. On the Mini 3, this one, it's 38 minutes battery life per battery. Fly Mode Combo, you get 3 batteries, so extra 2. The only issue I found with these batteries as well is they take over about an hour and a half each to charge up, which is rather annoying, to be fair, because they could have at least charge them up pre-sale, because when you buy a drone you want to get it, you're excited to get it, and then you just want to get out and fly it, but you can't because the batteries are not charged. But what it does good though is that the charger does figure out which one has the most charge in it and charges that one first. So it doesn't charge the flattest first, charges the less flat one first. So you could technically charge that one, pull it out, put it in, film more while the other two are charging. There are 2 options with the Mini 3 and up. You can get the normal remote control, or you can get the upgraded one with its own screen, which the screen is around here. Now that screen is £200 or whatever it might be in euros or dollars or yen or whatever. £200 more expensive. Plus, you have to buy, if you want to record onto it, you have to get another SD card. So that's 2 SD cards. Because it takes a while to turn the actual the display on. So in that time you might be going, oh my god, that looks amazing. Oh, missed it because it's taken so long for the screen to come on. So to me, I would rather save like 200 quid plus 30 quid for the SD card, put your mobile phone onto the top of it, your mobile phone's already on, you put the DJI app on it, plug it in, which obviously this charges your phone while you use it, while it's connected to it. You can record onto your phone as well, do a bit of flying, because why not, and then I'll come back to you once the battery's charged and we'll go from there. I did put it in 4K at 30 frames per second, just to show you the quality of what it is. And there's other things that I found that are better than the Mini 2 that this Mini 3 has. I don't really think the Mini 3 Pro is worth the extra few hundred quid, or even getting the upgraded version of this one, because this is perfectly fine for me. It did the job. I was able to fly the drone with it, and to be honest, I could see the screen on my phone just as well. I don't know if there's something I have to do in the settings to make it that so it charges my phone while I use it, because it didn't charge my phone while I used it, so I need to have a look at the settings how to do that. I'm leaving the joysticks on. You can put them in the bottom there, in these black bits. You do get a different kind of charger with this. You can charge it on the actual drone itself, but it's better to charge this because, like I said, if there's all three in there and that one's got more charging already, it'll start charging that one first, then it'll charge whichever one's the one. So it has it's like an intelligent charging system. You do get extra propellers with the screws as well. Set new screws for them. 3 different cables for your controller, whether it's iPhone or Android or whatever. I got this case as I showed you before because you can put it in there, and when you're paying 600 and odd pounds upwards, to me, I wouldn't trust those flimsy bags that they provide you with, that they come in, because you're going to be knocking it around, you throw it on the floor, it's going to get damaged. I'd rather put it in this case. It's perfectly well, it does the job, and you know that your stuff's going to be safe, and if you're out and about and it does start raining, it's going to be protected. For the price, if you can afford to go to a Mini 3 rather than Mini 2, go for it. For the 4K option, for the avoidance, for the longer battery life. Also, I found out when I was flying that the lights that you get on here, they light up when the battery is low. I wish it was cheaper, I'll be honest. I don't really like spending loads of money, but considering what you can do with it, 4K footage, fly for a while. I need more open space to fly, really. I'm going to try that with that. I'm going to try and do a video showing my new car about it, and use the drone to get some footage about some circle of it, try and go around the car with it, and go out and then come back in and have a look at it, see what it's like, see if the footage is any good. I imagine it is. It does travel apparently 10 meters a second if you go full on, which is bloody good. 10 meters a second, that's fast. You can get the more expensive better batteries, but then you would need a license, because it would make it would get the weight of the drone over 249 grams, and past that you need a license. So what are the 3 reasons to get this Mini 3 over the Mini 2? Mini 2 doesn't have 4K, doesn't have a gimbal, so it can't go up too high. It has less battery life on the batteries, hence battery life, for 31/38 for the 3. You can't get, if you want the control pad with the screen built in, which you don't really need, then the Mini 3 is the option. You can't get that with the Mini 2. Oh, also, DJI try and get you an option to get an mini SD card for 40 odd pounds. I went on Amazon and got it for £26, so you can save yourself almost 50% off. The 3 Pro has follow me mode. The 3 and the 2 and the 2 SE don't have follow me mode apparently. It can track you if you're walking a little bit, track you very slowly, but it doesn't have, so you can't. But if you run or you ride your bicycle or whatever, it will not be able to follow you. So that's one thing you need to think about. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Sorry if I'm waffled on. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and thumbs up and comments down below.